So, Andy is putting a battery lead on a Lipo battery. Balance lead on a battery.
The connector burned up.
Hear that? Because the connector burned up, so he's trying to replace it. So let's go check it out.
And with these Sugar Rush batteries, I've seen other batteries, all your connections are on the top. You've got one on the negative, then you've got the next one, which is on the bottom, on a positive, and then back up top, then back down bottom, back up top. It makes it harder. I mean, this is the first one I've done, but I don't think it'll be too bad. Flip her and put this soldering iron back in.
Soldering iron replug stat.
And then you press this button to start it. Watch how fast that thing goes up. And that's connected to a Lipo. Woo! The 4-cell Lipo is almost at 400 Celsius. And 400. And that's enough. I'd like it to be a little hotter, but it works. Don't touch the other plates. Oh, Jesus. Ow! And don't touch the freaking soldering iron. And don't have shaky hands. There it goes. I'll take this one off.
Nope.
Ooh.
You want to just
Now that one.
grab one of these and spark something for the camera?
Man, I need some more solder. Maybe not.
I don't have any. Oh!
Did you touch it?
What happened?
Why are you on my ear?
My bad. What was that?
Oh,
I was just trying to grab that.
I didn't think you touched anything. He done thought he burned himself. I don't think he really did, though. I think that was on his head. Brandon's tripping. Of course it came loose. I keep hitting the button. Man, it wants to fall over. This is awkward. I need some kind of something to grab this battery and hold it in place. I think that's good.
Battery flat thing?
Like a vise, but it needs to not be metal vise, I guess. Alright, that's the whole top. Let's do the bottom. See, the wires run to the bottom. You can get on the bottom. I don't think other ones are like that. Like, yeah, no, this one's not like that. They're all on the top.
And that one is?
Huh?
That battery you just showed them was
Tattoo?
tattoo?
The Tattoo R-line, which suck, by the way.
Dang.
I mean, they're alright,
Low blows.
but they don't last like some other batteries have. They go quick. I mean, I probably did 50 flights on it, but still, for freaking what I used to pay for them, I think they're cheaper now. I used to pay, I forgot I got to untape all that. Used to pay like, damn, $45 for them. And I want them to last more than 50 flights. Maybe I'm asking too much. I'll be right back. I got to untape this. Alright, I'm back. Had to get the tape off so I could get to the bottom. Come on. Back. Alright, it's like they go one to the top, one to the bottom, all in the same row. So, black, then the next one, which is white, which is green on this lead. And I cut all my wires to length to start. Go ahead and cut all your wires first. What is it, Blue Falcon, the guy who died on the motorcycle, has a video on it. It's pretty good.
Yeah, he's a guru.
Yep, I hope they never take his videos off because I learned a lot from him. He is the man. Yeah, he'll be missed because I don't know, he would have done a good bit more, I'm sure. And he explains it to where somebody who's not familiar with all this stuff can understand it. In everyday kind of terms. So I learned a lot from that guy. Alright. Let's see. Yellow would be next. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, yellow would be next. And if you happen to touch your soldering iron between plates, you'll get a nice little spark. I just learned that. So try not to do that. Brandon, you think you can hold this? It is not wanting to stand up. Here we go. Taking solder from it. I'm going to have to add solder.
Orange or yellow? Yellow.
Orange is the whole one. Alright. And the last one's on this positive lead, which is kind of a pain in the butt to get off that big freaking ball of solder. Turn it around. I don't want it. Gracias. Come on, get off. Thank you. So there goes that one. That's what happened to it. Oh, wrong thing. I was holding it up to the display. Oh yeah. Done. Son.
Ain't that beautiful?
As long as I did it right.
Alright, well just make sure you keep the camera on when you plug this thing in.
I'm pretty sure I did.
I'd plug it in outside too.
And then gotta put these things back in there like a foam divider for each cell. And then this folded down onto it. I guess. Wait a minute. Where's the other one? I guess I might put a little electrical tape between them too, just to be sure nobody touches anybody. We don't want anybody touching anybody.
Right.
You know, unless they want to be touched, but I don't think they want to be touched. This battery was it was on sale for $35 at Rotor Riot, and the lead broke, and I'm like, I am not gonna just throw this away because it's halfway new too. It can't be more than like, I don't know, 20 flights in. I'm not gonna just throw it away, not for that money. Oh, by the way, that's 5-cell, if you didn't know. None of these look like they would touch. I gotta do something about that though. Fold these over. And tell me in the comments if you see something I'm doing wrong. Might be too late then. I might already blown something up. But you can tell me. Might be too late.
Here in Channel 9 News.
But at least I would have learned something.
Man blew up
Himself. And his drone.
And his drone along with it.
I hope not.
What comes a 5-cell battery, balance cord, change, swap out.
So now, where's my thing? What'd I do? Oh, there it is. Now I can put that back on it. Good as new. And then I'll put some heat shrink on it. Oh, I put it on upside down. Stupid. Jesus. My balance lead holder is in the wrong spot. This stuff holds good. Where was it? Oh, there it is. Balance lead holder goes to the top. Once I put some heat shrink on it, I think it'll be good. It'll be good to go. So I went ahead and just put some tape around it. And this is 2-to-1 shrinkage poly. I just read it. Polyolefin heat shrink tubing. And these scissors suck. God, they suck. God, they suck. Who does? I don't. Oh my God. I hate gloves. And this stuff is super durable. I put it on my batteries, my brand new batteries, to protect them. And it's kind of rubbery too, so it helps the battery stick in the drone good. Polyethylene. Good stuff. But I fly 5 cells too. It fits better on a 4-cell. The 50 millimeter, I don't think I said that. 50 millimeter. Did I say it?
You said it.
Well, damn, I'll say it again. It fits better on a battery that I didn't repair too, so this I don't think I got it wrapped very tight or something. There it goes. That ought to did it.
Yahtzee!
Yahtzee. I got this stuff on Amazon if you're looking to get it. And that should be good. Hopefully it's good. Where's my tester? God, I hope that heat I feel is just the heat gun. It's a little scary. Oh, 5 cells, all 18. Number 1, 365. Number 2, 368. 365. 355. 342. Looks like I'm good. Yeah. Damn near $40 saved. Quad Squad out. pretty good, Maddie. I guess. Really the first one I did that I didn't feel too freaking scared about.